Happy Tuesday, boys and girls. Today's phonics learning objective is here. Please read it with your mom or dad. And that learning objective, can I explore the different spellings for the K phoneme? Just a reminder, if you have not done so already, please upload your completed spelling test onto your portfolios. Remember, the spelling test was on those words with that long E phoneme. This is a Red Star Challenge. The spelling test next week gives you the chance to win a Red Star. The spellings will be posted on this dojo. They all have the ch phoneme. Please practice at home. Upload next week. Full marks gives you a Red Star. Good luck with the Red Star Challenge. Now, back to this week's learning. We're exploring the K sound, or the K phoneme. And just some revision. The phoneme is the smallest unit of sound. So for this K sound, we're exploring how we can write that sound or represent that sound in letters. And a representation of a sound in letters or writing in English, it's called a grapheme. So we're exploring the graphemes that show the phoneme K. Okay, the first grapheme we're going to look at to represent that K sound will be the letter C. And there's so many words in English where the letter C represents that K phoneme or K sound. For example, this one here is K-R, car. This one here, we're going to highlight the C in blue. The C is in the middle of the word, and that C represents the K phoneme in tractor. Can you boys and girls please read the rest of these K words to your mum or dad? And if you can come up with any other words with that letter C representing the K phoneme, please post a comment in the comment section of this dojo. Secondly, the K phoneme can be represented by the grapheme K. And here are lots of words where K represents that K sound. And just notably here in words, I'll get pink, like bike, the K can come in the middle of the word, actually come in the middle of a split vowel diagraph in bike and lake. Okay, so please read these K words to your mum or dad. If you have any other words with K representing that K sound, please post them on the comments section. Okay, the third grapheme we're going to look at to represent that K sound is the grapheme C. The letter C in English often represent that K sound, like back or lock. So please read these CK words to your mum or dad. If you think of any other CK words where the grapheme CK represents the K, please post them in the comments section. Okay, boys and girls, the next way we can show that K phoneme or that K sound is by using the grapheme CH. CH, we discussed the phoneme CH making that ch sound. But in this case, we're looking at the grapheme CH, and sometimes CH can make that k sound, like in this word here. School, sk-ool. Did you hear the k sound represented by that CH? If you did, well done. So in English, sometimes the k sound is represented by the letter CH, and these are some CH words. Please read them to your mom or dad, and there are some quite difficult ones. Just as a dojo challenge, if you can upload video evidence, a short video of you explaining these CH words where the CH represents k. This is the first word. This is the second word. The third word. And the fourth word. So if you can upload a short video clip of you explaining, should I say, those 4 words, it's a dojo point challenge. So that's this way of representing the k sound using the letter CH. Okay, sometimes in English, the k phoneme is represented by the letters q and u. So q, u grapheme can sometimes represent that k sound. For example, this word here, we get them a lot in Brunei. They're super annoying. Of course, it's a mosquito. And the letters Q and U represent that k sound in mosquito. This, if you don't brush your teeth, boys and girls, you might have some plaque. Did you hear the k sound represented by those 2 letters? Boys and girls, in PE you might play a game called quoits. And the Q-U represents the k-oits, quoits. And some of you will have played that game with Mr. Tomlin in PE. And if you haven't already, someday you will. These are some quoits. This is the word conquer. Did you hear the k sound in conquer? Do you know what conquer means? Put a message on the dojo post. Tell me what conquer means. And the last word here, where that QU represents the k sound, is technique. Did you hear the k sound there? Okay, the last grapheme we're going to look at to represent that k sound is the X grapheme. And X occasionally can represent that k sound. For example, in the feeling anxious, you can hear the k is represented by the letter X. Also the feeling excited, excited. So the X there represents the phoneme k. The other words over here on the side, and I'll circle them in this kind of wine color, like box, 6, fox, max. The X kind of represents the phoneme k and s. So the sounds k and s are represented by the letters X, or the grapheme X. Let's read the word box again and see if we can hear the k and the s. Box, 6, fox, max. So X is a grapheme that can be used to represent the k sound and also the k and s sound. So that's the last grapheme we're going to look at today. Sentence time. Please read these sentences to your mom or dad and identify the words with the k sound. Okay, boys and girls, today we looked at 6 graphemes to represent that k sound. So there's lots of work for you to tackle this week. First and foremost, the spelling test. Please practice the words during the week. Just have a look at those 6 graphemes in this video. Read all of the examples I put on this video. If you can add a word to the comment section for each of the 6 graphemes, so 6 words, each representing a grapheme for that k sound, it's a dojo point. Post it in the comments section. Good luck with the challenge.